Okay, so today's video is going to be on my Mustang instead of Civic. There was one car in my driveway that's given me the most reason to make these videos or use these videos. It would definitely be this car. So if you own a Mustang, you probably agree with that. So anyway, what you're going to need today is a multimeter. Okay, these can be had for like 15 bucks at Harbor Freight, AutoZone, things like that. And again, for the work we're doing, you don't need a really high-end one. You see kind of a basic one. And I'm going to show you how to check your battery and your alternator for proper voltage. My car is getting the proper voltage right now, so that's the reading we're going to get. But just to specify, we're going to be focusing on the positive and negative battery terminals, and then the positive terminal right there of the alternator. So when I touch those, that's where I'm going with it, okay? Make sure we're getting good still. Okay, so in a resting position, again, I'm trying to set this up so you can see the number. I'll zoom in on it. Since I can't hold 10 things at once. There we go. So we're going to touch the red to the positive, black to the negative. I'm going to get a sitting reading of about 12.06. That's good battery voltage, okay? I'm actually going to leave just a sitting with the car not running. Leave that. I touch the negative terminal. I'm coming over here, I'm going to touch the positive. Now these should match just about. Very close, right? So bingo, 12.07. That means the battery's receiving, the alternator's sending, okay? And they're flowing between each other. Now we're gonna start the car, do the same thing. Once we start, it should get a reading of about So with the car running, again, I'll zoom in on this number for you. They should match. There we go. I'm going to check the battery first. Touch the negative terminal, touch the positive terminal. I'm getting a reading of 14.2. That means I'm getting good current from the battery. Now it should match. So I'm going to leave it on the negative terminal and touch the alternator volt. 14.24, okay? So I'm getting good current from both the alternator and the battery. So that can do it, right? So let's say you go to your alternator. When I had a bad alternator and I did this, I would get a reading . Get a reading of about 12.6, 12.4, so my alternator is going bad. And then I had a battery go bad, and when it was sitting, I was getting a reading of like 9 or 10 out of it. So again, this is just handy to eliminate these things as an issue if you're getting a kind of power feed issue. So simple today. That's how you test the multimeter on just your alternator and battery. And in typical YouTube fashion, if you like this video, please smash that like button and hit subscribe. I'm just kidding, but for real, I'll be making more, so subscribe, and I'll be trying to throw anything that I work on up with you.